Today we're gonna present you with a wonderful traditional Romanian dish called Piftie. Basically you boil a bunch of big parts, including knuckles, into a pot of water with 2 teaspoons of salt, a bunch of carrots, some parsnips and some celery if you want. Most importantly, add some bay leaves, a full garlic head, and a bunch of peppercorns. Last but not least, a full red onion. Midway into the boil, take the vegetables out, and as soon as you feel that the meat has boiled enough and it's easily separated from the bones, take everything out of the pot. This should take about 3.5 hours. Don't throw away the stock, because you'll need it later on in the process. Separate all the meat from the bones, cut them into smaller pieces, arrange them as evenly as possible in how many containers you need, and afterwards pour the stock on top. But be careful, everything needs to be covered by stock, otherwise it defeats the purpose. After all this, they need to sit overnight in the fridge without being covered up. Overnight, it should turn into something like this. Enjoy.